Hey Anna, can you teach me how to set a snap?
For sure. Follow me. Alright. To set a snap, first we need holes where we want the snap to come together. A little trick is you want the diameter of the hole you're going to do to be about the same size or bigger than the piece of hardware. Use the rotary punch to crack a hole on my marks. Alright, now I'm ready for the pieces. So I like to identify them by these two first, which both have flat bottoms. And one is a post and the other is kind of like a crater. So they go together, and then the remaining two would be the post that has the button, the nice side that we like to see, and then the other piece is called a socket. This would be the correct way. Ooh. Let's set the flat bottoms first. We're gonna start with the post and fit it through the hole that we've made, and then the flat bottom crater sits over top of that, and you should be able to see the post coming through the center of the crater. And then we'll need a hard surface, and then we'll take our setting tool. So this kind of looks like a canister. It's got a little nib on one end, and that should fit on the inside of the post. And then we're gonna go ahead and hit the tool. We're gonna go like a bit of a medium pressure with it first. And essentially, the tool should have forced the post to kind of mushroom out and then holds the top piece to it. So that should be set. And then we're gonna go in with our second piece. The button, or the cap, is gonna go from the grain side to the rough side. And then the socket, or the soup bowl, is gonna come in like that. And then that's how it will set together. So we're gonna take it to the anvil again. So we'll just set that in there. The same setting tool will fit just the same way, and then we check to see if it snaps. Does it snap? Yes. Does it fall apart when we break it apart? No. It's set.
Amazing. Thanks, Anna.
You're welcome.
I know how to set a snap. That's cool. Anna,